Hi, Bob Freeman here with MarineMax in Naples, Florida. I'm here today to share a trade we just got in. It's a Grady-White 2011 336 Canyon. It's a phenomenal boat. It's a really large boat. It's powered by the Yamaha 350, so you got plenty of power in the back. You've got a gigantic live well in the back with two other really good live wells here. So a ton of place to keep the bait. Plenty of rocket launches as well. And you got a large helm. You got your electronics all in here. You've got bow thruster. You've got autopilot. So very large helm area. And as we move towards the mid cabin, you've got a really big stateroom in here. The cabin is definitely big enough to sleep in. So it's really cool. Plenty of room in here. And then a nice big bow. So plenty of room for seating, plenty of room for catching fish. The boat is a very cool boat. You've got the hard top on it as well. So if you got any questions on it, would like to see it, please give me a call. My name is Bob Freeman at 603-213-1194.